everyone, welcome back. I'm here with Pep Nail Vibes Greek Goddess collection that was sent to me to swatch and share with you guys. This is available right now and there is a sale going on from now until December 13th. You can get 20% off your order. All details will be in the description box along with their website. If you're interested in these, I highly recommend you check them out because these polishes are already inexpensive as it is. First up is Artemis. This is a semi-sheer translucent seafoam green with an orange to copper shifty glow. The formula is so smooth. It was like applying butter to my nails. I went ahead and added 3 coats, and at 3 coats you can, in some lighting, see my nail line, but that's not surprising since it is described as a semi-sheer polish. It does need top coat because it does dry fairly matte and removal is easy. The next one is Athena, which is a glowy icy blue polish with an indigo shift. And this one is also really smooth. It's also on the sheer side. I built it up in 2 coats though. If you go in with thinner coats, you might need 3. It does need top coat for shine and removal is easy. Hira is a semi-sheer translucent white with a pink to purple glow. This one is smooth once again. I applied 3 coats. Nail line is still visible in some lighting. It does need top coat for shine because it does dry down matte and removal was easy. We have another white base polish and this one is HEBE. This one though is a semi-sheer translucent off-white with an orange glow. This is super smooth. I applied 3 coats. You can make out my nail line in some lighting. It does need top coat to add some shine because it does dry matte and removal was easy. HESTIA is a peach colored shimmer polish with gold and yellow micro flakies. This one is so beautiful. It reminds me of sand. I applied 2 coats to reach full opacity. It does need top coat for shine and removal was easy. And the last one is Rhea, and this is a taupe lavender shimmer with pink and blue micro flakies and blue sparks. This is so beautiful. I got it opaque in 2 coats. It is a bit of a chameleon depending on your lighting. It does have a shift. It does need top coat for shine and removal was easy. My favorites are these 4 right here. I have HESTIA, Rhea, Hira, and HEBE. I love these for a really kind of like a palette cleanser. It's not overbearing. You have something on your nails, so if you're like me, when you don't have anything on your nails, you feel a little naked and like your nails are extra thin. These add a little something. You see a shift, but it's just, like I said, it's just a really great palette cleanser, these 2 right here. This one here, HESTIA, literally reminds me of sand, kind of reminds me of the Essie polishes that were released a couple years back. They were the textured ones. And then my last favorite, last but not least, I should say, is Rhea. This is such a chameleon. I love these polishes. In direct lighting, it kind of just comes off like a lavender-ish silver, but in low lighting situations you do see a hint of lavender and pink, and I just love that about this one. It's kind of deceptive in that way, and I love it for that. So those are my thoughts. Again, these are on sale. They are running their Black Friday sale through December 13th, so you do have some time. I'm gonna leave all the information in the description box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!